So what I have to say, like, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I have to speak in English or in French?
In English.
Oh, in English. Say, I mean, I don't know what I have to say. I thought like you were gonna like ask me questions and then I will answer you. I'm getting lost. Oh, okay, right. Start. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Traveling with salam.
Salam travel.
Salam travel. Yes. Жақсы. Рахмет. Пак рахмет.
One more time.
One more time. All right. Okay. Salam travel. Travel. Salam.
Travel. Salam travel.
I didn't get it. Salam travel. Right.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Amazing. C'est fantastique, mesdames et
In
messieurs.
Turkish, it's called like mükemmel, gorgeous.
Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to thank like Salem Group for this trip because it's like really interesting and open-minded for myself. First of all, I tried this. What's the name of this? Aramshak. This Aramshak. It was good, but I think like how do you say? I think it could be better if I eat it with the bread. This, what the name of this again? Kord. The kord, it's really good. I mean by that, like when you started to eat it, it doesn't look good, like not really. And then when you try to focus about you focus about food. When you try to focus about like the food, like I'm trying to understand like why Kazakh people love it. So when I'm trying to focus about that, it becomes good. Like it's like so.
I got it.
Rahmat. That was interesting. This is chapchapism. Chapchapism is like when you eat something and instead of just eat because you're hungry, you eat because you know. I mean, when you eat, you try to think about the force of nature, and when because you know, like all the foods are from the earth, and all of them have like different tastes, and this is like a miracle. And this is Allah. This is like all of them are from the same earth, but all of them have like different tastes, and this is like amazing, like mashallah. So chapchapism. Jazakallah khair. Rahmat. No way, you have YouTube channels. Wow. Subscribe to This Is Halal. 23 ans, la France, les îles Comores, Comoros Islands, Royal Islands, big up à la famille, Jazakallah, à maman, Halima El Swalihi, Mamhamadi, je t'aime beaucoup. Namlalo non, marhaba menj, marhaba menj.
Ой, сәлеметсіз бе, қош келдіңіз.
Көрмейміз.
Біздің осындай айранға үйіміз бозторғайдай қойдың үстіне бозторғай жұмысын қалаған кезде бұндай жауды қайдан көрдіңіз? Сіз қайда жүрдіңіз? Бізді құтқарасыз. Аналарымызды, балаларымызды алып кетті.
Сарбаздар жинаш. Ол сарбаздар келеді. Кім болмасын, қолымыз құл болмасын деп басымызды бәйге тіккелі отырмыз. Қазір жоңғар келе жатыр. Біз өзіміздің болашақ ұрпағымызды қорғауымыз керекпіз. Бізде екі жол бар. Біріншісі бейбітшіл, екіншісі қанға қан, жанға жан болады. Енді таңда өздерінде. Егер бейбітшіл десе, бейбіт жолмен шешеміз. Ал егер қанға қан десе, жақтарын айырамыз.